Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am so happy that you're here because today we're going to do an unboxing on a brand new product, and that is Shark's newest high velocity hair dryer, and this is the Shark SpeedStyle. This is a very high speed, very powerful, ultra fast drying hair dryer with attachments. This bundle right here is for straight and wavy hair, and this bundle comes with the RAPIDGLOSS finisher, the QUICKSMOOTH brush, and the turbo concentrator, as well as the SpeedStyle itself. Or you can get the curly and coily hair bundle, which comes with the QUICKSMOOTH brush, the RAPIDGLOSS finisher, but also it comes with the diffuser. Or you can create your own bundle and you have the lift and stretch wide tooth comb and the express touch-up brush as options as well. So let's get to opening and unboxing. So here is the styling guide that it comes with, and as you open it up, it'll tell you everything you need to know about the blow dryer and all of its attachments. They go into great depths about each attachment and how to use them on what hair type and whatnot. You can also scan the QR code down here and you can watch videos and tutorials on how to use each attachment for your specific hair type. All right, so here is the SpeedStyle itself. I'm also gonna grab out the QUICKSMOOTH brush, the concentrator, and the RAPIDGLOSS finisher out of here. I also have the Express Touch-Up brush and the DEFRIZZ Fast Diffuser as well. Okay, since we have a lot to talk about, let's kind of unpack this and see how each of these accessories work. The SpeedStyle recognizes each IQ speed styler and intelligently adjusts to the ideal temperature and airflow for ultra-fast styling and no heat damage, which includes 4 heat settings and 3 airflow settings plus a cool shot. Okay, so before we get started styling with the SpeedStyle, I'm going to blow dry my hair to about 80% dry, and then we are going to move on to the attachments. At just 1.69 pounds, the SpeedStyle is the lightest leading digital hair dryer, bringing you power and speed in a compact and dynamic styling system that is incredibly easy to use. Okay, now that my hair is about 80% dry, I'm going to go in with the QUICKSMOOTH brush and attach it to my SpeedStyle, and then I'm going to add volume and straighten at the same time. So I start off by sectioning my hair. I have very thick hair, and I usually do about 3 sections. So I'll do like 1, 2, and then my crown area. And then when I'm starting out with the blow dryer, with this attachment on, I want to just lift everything up and then kind of add tension on my hair as I'm going down. The QUICKSMOOTH brush is your answer for voluminous straight styles, and you can dry, voluminize, and smooth all at once. The QUICKSMOOTH brush includes a combination of volumizing and smoothing boar bristles for grabbing, smoothing, and shining. All right, here is my hair using the QUICKSMOOTH brush. I literally just parted it to the side, and that volume is gorgeous. So how I do that is I style my hair down the middle, and then once I'm done like blow drying my hair and adding that volume to the root, then I flip it. And that flip is because everything was parted this way. So you're gonna get so much volume right here that wants to flip back this way, and that is how you get that lasting volume in the front and on the side when you do the deep part. So this is my hair blow dried using the QUICKSMOOTH brush. Let's talk about my curtain bangs. My curtain bangs are kind of at a weird length right now. They're a little long. I'm growing them out, but because I have curtain bangs, the Express Touch-Up brush is perfect for your bangs. I'm gonna wet my bangs down so you can kind of see how it changes them, but also if you want your hair to be like flipped out and like have that blowout look, the Express Touch-Up brush is perfect for that as well. The Express Touch-Up brush is designed to shape, smooth, and tame your bangs, layers, and ends, all with no heat damage. You can manually spin it to style, allowing you to create soft bends and movement, perfect for every hair type. Okay, so here are my curtain bangs. Like I said, they are growing out and they're getting a little bit more sparse as they grow out, but that took absolutely no time at all. And just think about like if you want your hair more like curled in, you can use the Express Touch-Up brush. If you wanted it feathered out and you have those like front facing layers, this brush is perfect for just like an easy, twist out, because it is like having a round brush at the end of your blow dryer. So it takes away an extra tool. But yeah, it's really pretty. So I also wanted to touch on the RAPIDGLOSS finisher, and this is like something I've never used on my hair. This is really cool. So I had surgery about 8 months ago and my hair is growing back like crazy. It fell out and now it's growing back like crazy. So I have a ton of flyaways and like little tiny baby hairs that want to stick out. This Rapid Gloss finisher takes away all of that and I will show you exactly how it works. Attach the Rapid Gloss finisher for a high gloss, high shine finish on dry, straight hair. 2 streams of high-speed airflow work together to collect and smooth flyaways for up to 6 times less frizz versus air drying. Okay, I want you to see the difference in the 2 sides. It is literally like I just took a straightener to my hair, but I didn't. You guys saw that whole process. But look, this side, tons of flyaways, right? Like that's still all sticking up. It's pretty crazy. This side is just smooth. It's literally like glass. It's so glossy looking. My hair tends to not be so shiny because it's so thick, but this just brings that shine out in my hair and I absolutely love it. So the fact that I get to style my hair and straighten it like I normally would, because this is how I would wear my hair straight, not so much like bent in like this. I would wear my hair more like this. So the fact that I can get that with just the Rapid Gloss finisher is huge. And hair integrity is so important to me, so it's less heat on my hair because I'm not using a hot tool, and it's really shiny, smooth, and looks like I used a flat iron. The Turbo Concentrator precisely targets and smooths each strand so that you can style and dry at the same time, with your hyper-concentrated air path for precise, fast drying and a rotatable nozzle for easy styling. The DEFRIZZ Fast Diffuser attaches to the Shark SpeedStyle for fast, even drying from root to tip. To enable curl perfection, the diffuser features retractable and extendable prongs. You want to retract the prongs for shorter and finer hair and less heat on the scalp. You want to extend the prongs for longer, thicker hair and for reach and lifting at the root. I think for me, I've been really intimidated trying to embrace my natural curls. For a really long time, I thought that I just had frizzy hair that was like slightly wavy, but the top was like unmanageable. But the DEFRIZZ Fast Diffuser just takes like the guesswork out of trying to figure out how to create those natural curls. I use very minimal product. I just use 1 light hold mousse, and this diffuser with the SpeedStyle did the trick. The possibilities are endless using the SpeedStyle because of its versatility with the attachments. As you can see throughout this whole video, I'm able to create so many different hairstyles with 1 tool. And the fact that it's super compact and super easy to travel with is always a plus. Now, before I finish this video, I wanted to talk to you guys about one more thing, and that's about cleaning this filter. It has a filter that detaches. They suggest that you do like a really quick cleaning with a clean toothbrush on the back of this filter, but this guy actually comes off as well, and they suggest you doing a deep clean about once a month, just so it's able to maintain its performance. It doesn't overheat with all of the particles that can get stuck on here. So just make sure you are cleaning your blow dryer at home. So if you are interested in purchasing your very own Shark SpeedStyle, I will have everything you need in the description box below. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and watching it, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!